Hello everybody. Now I am conducting class 7 geography second chapter and most important thing population determinants. Again I am repeating, now I will conduct class 7 geography second chapter population determinants. So which are the population determinants? Number 1, crude birth rate, crude death rate, growth rate and migration. So first is crude birth rate. That means in a geographical area how many people take birth, okay, in the middle of the year, how many people take birth, okay, per 1000, per 1000 how many people take birth, that is crude birth rate. And what is crude death rate? Same thing, in the middle of the year if we consider that how many people the number of deaths per 1000 people in a year. Number of people deaths per 1000 in a year. That is crude death rate. Now, what is the growth rate? Very easy difference between the birth rate and death rate is growth rate. If the birth rate is high, death rate is minimum. That means the growth rate is very high. If the birth rate is very less, but the death rate is very high, growth rate is very less. Even the birth rate and the growth rate both almost equilibrium. That means the growth rate is static. Okay, like India, growth rate is very high. Again, Nigeria also growth rate is very high. Uganda you will get growth rate is very high. But few area you will get that birth rate is less but death rate is very high. That is not a good economic or human according to the HDI, that is not a good condition of a country. A country growth rate and birth rate should be in equilibrium situation. So growth rate will be in positive or negative, both. Okay, and both the cases as I discussed, it depend upon these two determinants, that is birth rate and another one is death rate. Now fourth important determinants is migration. Now you will accustom with this new word migration. What is migration? Migration means getting many kinds of facilities. We can see that many people, many migrants in our West Bengal from many other parts of the India. Why? Because getting many facilities, especially in the metropolitan cities, especially in Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, for getting forward, getting job, for getting good education, for getting good medical facilities, people migrants from intermigration, and definitely we can see that we have that for getting good job, migration, huge migration towards the European country, towards the American countries, getting good job, getting good education, further study. So all these also is a very important determinant for growing the population. Okay, that is also one of the most important issue for population growth. These four determinants I discussed, I gave one each graphically I plot, and from there you will get to know, okay, that what is the growth rate, how the growth rate gradually increase in India, how the what about the birth rate, what about the growth rate, what about the death rate, and also about the migration. I informed everything. I request all of you to note down everything in your CW geography copy and recapitulate all these things. We will take only one more class to complete this topic, and next class I will provide you the question answers. So click the down link, and from there you will get the notes. Note it down, and if you have any kinds of doubt, definitely mail to me, dear Momam, and to the DPSD or Dipal Jainpur help desk mail ID. Okay, you will mail at me like dear Momam and you have any query, and as well as you will comment in the comment box. Okay, if anything you not understood, comment it. Okay, get my point? So stay tuned. Bye bye and wait for the next class.